Oral sex. Do you think you should be spitting out that semen or you should be swallowing it or not? Now, this is one thing that many girls sometimes they think about it. It's a very common question, very general question. Many people may really make fun of this, but as a doctor, it is my duty to tell you what are the complications that can be caused if at all you will be swallowing, if at all the semen, boy's semen, comes in contact with your oral surface. What happens? Well, hello, this is Dr. Niranjan Samani. Watch this video to the very end. As always, this is going to be really beneficial, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notification. Also, follow me on Instagram. The link is provided in my description box. So let's start today's video, that is oral sex. If you swallow it, if you swallow the semen of a boy, does it lead to any other complications or not? Also, there's a very important question, that does oral sex lead to any transmission of any STDs or not, sexually transmitted diseases or not, HIV, gonorrhea, chlamydia, syphilis, there are many other this STDs. So does it lead to all this sexually transmitted disease or not? So let's start with this video, that is oral sex. Should you spit it out or should you swallow it? Now there are many myths regarding the semen. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि इसको swallow करने से hair अच्छा बढ़ता है, skin में glow आता है. I don't know what nonsense these people keep on spreading the rumors. Sound करता है. Now there are many myths regarding the oral sex. इसको बोलते हैं कि अगर आप swallow करोगे, आपकी बाल अच्छे से बढ़ेगा, there will be a good hair growth, skin में glow हो जाएगा. I don't know what nonsense people keep on spreading the rumors about. Absolutely fake news, absolutely false. Also there is one more rumor, that is the semen contains a lot of protein. ऐसा नहीं है यार, ऐसे पियोगे तो protein milkshake हो जाएगा. Please, this is all rumors. You don't have to believe all these things. Now, one thing I would tell you, that is spitting or swallowing is personally your decision. So nobody has control over it. आपको अगर swallow करना है तो कर सकते हो, spit out करना है तो spit कर सकते हो. The oral semen, the semen I'm telling. And now, what is the complication? What are the things that you need to be keeping in mind? Now, semen definitely, if at all it's coming to your oral contact, definitely you're exposing yourself for sexually transmitted diseases. Yes, अगर आपका पार्टनर का सीमन आप अपने मुंह पे लोगे, अपने ओरल पे माउथ में लोगे, so there is definitely a chance that you can develop sexually transmitted diseases, syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, HIV, or sexually transmitted diseases can happen to you. So this is a possibility. I am definitely telling you. इससे ये नहीं होता है कि अगर आप लोगे तो नहीं होगा, नहीं, definitely होगा. You are exposing yourself for this disease. Now, what can be done? You will definitely have to do two things. That is, one, you ask your partner to wear a condom, or second one, you can ask your partner to undergo the test for sexually transmitted disease के test करने के बाद, then you can go about with this. Apart from this, it's your personal choice, it's a personal risk. आप देख लो, sexually transmitted diseases होने का संभावना बहुत ज़्यादा है. So you are absolutely exposing yourself for all the sexually transmitted diseases. So you need to be very cautious here. And जो भी आपको myths बताया मैंने कि hair growth होता है, skin glow होता है, this is all fake news. Do not have to believe all this. So I hope I have answered all the questions. It's a very simple question कि oral sex करने से does HIV spread or not? Yes, there is a chance of getting infected by the HIV virus. And also, you don't have to spit it out, swallow it. It is your personal decision. You can go for it, no problem. Only if at all you have screened for your any STD test of your partner, and also if your partner is wearing a condom. I hope you like this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notification. I'll be getting many more medical contents on my YouTube channel every single day. दिन में 2 बार लेके आता हूँ मैं अपने medical content. So turn on that notification so that you guys are updated whenever I get new medical content. Also, you can drop in your queries in the comment section box. उसके ऊपर भी मैं एक वीडियो बना दूंगा, आपको ऐसे ही मेडिकल कंटेंट की इन्फॉर्मेशन लेता रहूंगा. In the end, I want to tell one thing, that is, eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity. Until my new video comes, bye bye.